In this video, I will be sharing to you the list of schools, graduate schools specifically, that are giving out application fee waiver for people to be able to apply for fall 2023. Hi YouTube family, this is Isaac coming to you again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing to you the list of schools, graduate schools specifically, that are giving out application fee waiver for people to be able to apply for fall 2023. All right, so it's actually a time for application for graduate school. So if you want to actually get this code, stick to this video till the end. You get the list of school, over 20 of them. And of course, you won't actually be able to take action immediately after getting this application fee waiver. And you know the burden actually that comes with the graduate school applications in terms of paying for application fees. So stick to this video till the end. And of course, you get all of them. And of course, you can also apply to any one of them.
All my days, I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so of God. I love your voice. You will lead me through the fire, and in darkest night you were close like no other. I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God, yeah. And all my life you have been faithful. Oh, and all my
music at gospel